Hello. Let's start. So homework. Here's everybody's homework. I got homework from Zoyman. Very, very good, Zoyman. You have things in all three sections, which will make the next couple of homework assignments a little easier for you, I guess. Maybe you can add a new one that you learned today, too. Very good, Zoyman. Bo, this is Bo Sunlight Zone. Great job, Bo. Michael included plants and animals. This one is kitties. Kitty, very nice. Very good. Lots of animals, and I saw you pick some ones from Finding Nemo. Dami, very good drawings. I see some unique plants. This is Kaki's. Kaki did 1 page per zone, so you had lots of space to draw. Looks really, really nice, Kaki. And this is Minway's, where he included how far down it goes, the temperature, and I see you included some plants and animals. Minway, can you tell us what plants and animals you put in the sunlight zone?
The bottlenose dolphin, red-eyed Joe, and the algae.
Good. Can you say algae?
Algae.
Very good. Thank you,
Algae and
Karen.
algae.
Dami, you haven't shared yours in a while. Could you tell us what you drew in the sunlight zone?
I draw a jellyfish, a pufferfish, kelp, and sea anemone.
Very good. I like very, very nice. You drew plants and animals, and the pufferfish drawing is really good. I like your pufferfish.
I'm sleeping.
You're sleepy? I can tell by your name. All right. Who else wants to share? I don't think we've had Michael share in a while. Michael had some really good plants and animals. Michael, could you share with us what you drew?
I do the anemone is at the end of the cliff, and there's a clownfish over it. The seagrass is all over the cliff, except for the places that there is anemone. But I think those are that we cut off those pieces of land. And there is a coral, an orange one indeed, on top too. And I think it's the tallest thing it's the tallest plant that I drawn. There's a sea turtle over the seagrass, and there is a reef shark. A jellyfish was there, and it is not moved anywhere. It's also a mako shark.
Very good. This is excellent, and I like that you included some different kinds of sharks that we didn't talk about in class. It's good to include things that you know on your own too. Very nice job, Michael. Okay, I think Kaki really wants to share hers. She's done some beautiful drawing. Kaki, go ahead.
I draw a red white shark. And I draw an octopus. If this a jellyfish, if this jellyfish lives in the midnight zone, it will have light, so it can survive or or find food. And I draw a sea turtle. Sea turtle have shells, so they can hide in. And sea turtle eat sea grasses. I draw a crab too. A crab can live in a coral or lives in the seagrass. The last one I draw is a starfish.
Excellent job, Kaki. This is amazing, and I thank you for your description of some of them. Your great white shark is drawn really well, and I like the information about the sea turtle, the jellyfish. Very good. We might actually see some glowing jellyfish All right, so that's all we have time for homework. Okay, let's get started on today's lesson. First, this is what we will be talking about today. What animals live in the Twilight Zone? So, I want you all to circle the animal that I say. All right, is everybody ready to draw?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes, okay. So, everyone be ready to circle, and when I say stop, please stop, okay? Ready? Okay, circle the sea lion. Circle the sea lion. Good job, all right. Circle the sea urchin. Which one's a sea urchin? Nice, Simon, good job. Min Huang, good. Nancy, nice. All right, circle the feather starfish. Which one's the feather starfish? Good job, Nuna, nice. Jenny, good. All right, how about the man-o-war jellyfish? Good, Nancy, Nuna, Simon. Circle the elephant seal. Good job, everyone. Circle the electric eel. Which one's an electric eel? All right, nice work, guys. Now I want you to circle the angelfish. Which one is an angelfish? Nice work. What about a pufferfish? Which one's a pufferfish? Good. Nice, Michael. All right, how about a horseshoe crab? Which one's a horseshoe crab? Oh, we have it split. Which one's horseshoe crab? One's a horseshoe crab and one is a lobster. Which one's the horseshoe crab? All right, now circle the lobster. Nice work. Now circle the butterfly fish. The mudfish. The conch shell. Someone guessed it. Circle the conch. The conch. Okay, good work, guys. Okay, draw a single line to match. Note the animal to its type. Does it have a shell? Is it a fish, a mammal, or a unique animal? Okay, ready, set, draw. All right, very good, guys. We have, which animal is what is the name of this animal right here? The first one that's red. What's the name of that animal? Zoimin?
The sea urchin.
Sea urchin, nice work. What about the next animal? Which one is this? Dami?
Angelfish.
Nice work, an angelfish. What about this one? What's the next one? Nancy?
Maybe it's a horseshoe crab.
Exactly, it's a horseshoe crab. Good job. And what about this last elephant that you all said is a mammal? Bo?
Elephant seal.
Yes, very good. It's an elephant seal. It has an elephant trunk on it. Okay, guys, very good job. Now, let's remember, what do animals need? Food, water, air, and shelter. This is our question for the day. Helen, can you read the question for the day?
What marine animal gets their food, water, and shelter in the twilight zone?
Very good. Thank you, Helen. Okay, where is the twilight zone in the ocean? Jenny?
Middle.
Very good. Thank you, Jenny. Now let's make some observations. Who can make an observation about the twilight zone? What do you see? What do you not see? Nancy?
But I can still see some coral down there with some green things that I know is fish, because some animals live in here, because somehow sharks live here, find it very dark to see fish, because the kind of fish that has the same color as the coral makes it very hard for sharks to see.
Yes, excellent answer. It's a little dark. There are some fish, probably not any sharks. Excellent answer. So Nancy said it's kind of dark. There's some fish. Does anyone see anything else? Simon?
Saw something like a plant is on the ground.
Great, something like a plant on the ground. Zoymin, do you have anything else to add, Zoymin?
There are shells.
There are shells, good. Okay, so we see some fish, the green things on the ground. There are some algae that can grow down here, but remember, coral are animals. So some of these are coral. Excellent work, guys. So, twilight zone. Is there no light and heat, some light and heat, or a lot of light and heat? Who has my answer? How about Min Huang?
Little.
Yeah, that's right. Good. There's little light and heat. Very nice, Min Huang. So is it hot, cold, or freezing? Simon?
It's just cold, and the rest could be hot.
Very good, just cold. Nice work, Simon. And plants can or cannot grow? Mooney?
Cannot.
Good, cannot. At least for the most part. At the very beginning, maybe some algae can grow. Some animals in this zone can. What is this jellyfish doing? How about Kitty?
Bioluminescence.
Great work. So that's even more than I was looking for. I was just looking for the word light up. They can light up, but you're right. So some light up like this. Let's go over that word, bioluminescence. What is this called? Jenny, could you read the definition?
Light secreted by the body of a living creature.
Very good. Can you say created?
Created.
Very nice. And that is bioluminescence. Everyone say on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Bioluminescence.
Very good. Okay. So we're looking at the twilight zone. Kaki, could you read this for me?
Twilight zone. This area gets very little light, and it's cold and dark. Plants cannot grow here. Some of the animals here light up.
Very good, Kaki. Nice work. All right. What animals live in the twilight zone? Everyone open your chat and let me know what animals live in the twilight zone. I'll open it up to the whole class. Bo says a whale. Jenny says crab. Kitty also says a whale. We have octopus from Khaki. Michael, the seahorse or leafy sea dragon, I think that's in the sunlight zone. Zoyman says squid. Katie with jellyfish. Dami with the giant squid. Maybe sometimes, but they're even deeper than the twilight zone. Kitty says squid as well. Very good. Can we think of any others? These ones are hard. Manta rays. Yes, sometimes, Michael. That's a good one. The killer whale. Good job, Dami. A little coral. Yes, Zoyman. There have been twilight coral reefs that have been discovered recently, actually. They used to think coral couldn't grow there at all. Now they found coral reef, a twilight zone coral reef. Good job, guys. Whales, crabs, octopus, squid, jellyfish, giant squid, manta rays, killer whales, coral. You guys have some good ideas. Here's our first batch of animals. Same as yesterday, everybody repeat them after me. The first one, if you look at its long nose, it looks like it could sword fight. Everyone say swordfish.
Swordfish.
Swordfish. All right, the next one is sperm whale. Good, sperm whale. The third one down here in the right is tuna. Good. The swordfish, the sperm whale, and the tuna all live in the sunlight zone and go into the twilight zone to hunt, to get fish, or to hide from predators. So these ones live up here. They live near the top of the twilight zone. Near the top. See how the water in the picture looks like it's a little lighter colored? Okay, everyone say crabs. Crabs. Lobster.
Even the
Good. And this last one can be called a shrimp or a krill. Let's say shrimp. How does the shrimp look different from the shrimp yesterday?
This shrimp lives in the twilight zone,
Mm-hmm.
and I think it's bigger,
Mm-hmm.
like as the size of a lobster.
Mm-hmm. And what about its color?
Identity different.
Yes, definitely different. It looks like it maybe even has bioluminescent a little bit. Okay, I have some questions about these two. The first is the sperm whale, or either one. How do they use plants? Katie?
I think it's algae.
Yes, some sort of algae, well, similar to algae. Do you remember the word phytoplankton?
Yes.
Yeah, it eats plankton. It also eats these krill. Very good, Katie. And what do the krill eat? Zoyman, do you know what the krill eat?
The krill eat algae.
Yeah, very good. They eat things that float down into the twilight zone, like algae and little plants or phytoplankton. Let's think about how they get what they need from their habitat. How do you think the sperm whale gets what it needs from its habitat, Zoyman?
The sperm whale at the ocean is its habitat, and its food is the krill, and the krill eat algae, and its habitat too.
Excellent. right? So they could only survive in the ocean. That was a great answer, Zoyman. So what adaptations do they have to live here? Who can think of an adaptation they have that helps them live there? Bo?
Gills.
Gills? Nice. Yes, the shrimp has gills. Bo, what does the sperm whale have?
A hole.
A hole. Say hole.
Hole.
Good job. Katie?
Shrimp have different colors.
Very good. Different colors to help camouflage or hide. Very nice. Okay. Who can read this for me? It's a long one about the sperm whale. Donnie, could you please read this for me?
The sperm whale travels between the sunlight and twilight zones. They eat phytoplankton, zooplankton, and krill. This mammal has extra fats to stay warm and a blowhole to breathe.
Excellent job. So they eat phytoplankton, zooplankton, and krill. They have extra fat and a blowhole. Here's some that live in the middle and the bottom. Everybody say hatchet fish.
Hatchet fish.
Hatchet is like an axe. A hatchet is the handle with the axe on it to chop things like wood. And see, the hatchet fish kind of looks like it has a handle and a hatchet to chop wood. Everyone say squid.
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 Good, don't forget the S. Squid. Everyone say lanternfish. Good, lantern. Kaki, can you say lanternfish?
Lanternfish.
Very good. And viperfish.
Viperfish.
I want to know, what adaptations do they have to live here? Who can tell the adaptations? Simon?
They swim and they have the light to see. If they don't have the light, then they cannot see and they could get to the enemy easily and get eaten.
Excellent job. They have light to see. The light has a couple of different purposes, actually. We'll talk about later. Great job, Simon. Katie?
I have a question.
Go ahead.
How can the squid and the lanternfish live in the freezing temperature of the midnight zone?
Excellent question. So they're in the twilight zone, but it's still really cold. So that's just the way their bodies and their skin have adapted. So the same way that some plants or bacteria can grow near a volcano, it's very similar to that. So they have special cells and skin that make their blood still move when it's really cold. So that's actually one of their adaptations, Katie. The ability to stay warm. Great question. Min Huang, could you read this for me? Min Huang, can you read this?
The squid can sometimes change color. It also shoots out ink with its red white.
Very good. Shoots out ink. Ink is like that black stuff you had in a pen. Why would it shoot out ink when it's afraid? Helen, why do you think the squid shoots out ink? Dami, any guess?
To protect itself.
Yeah, to help protect itself so it can hide. All right, lanternfish. Kitty, can you read about the lanternfish?
Okay. The lanternfish have over 250 sea species. Each species has its own pattern of light. Scientists think this pattern may help them communicate or pick a mate to reproduce with.
Very good. Thank you so much, Kitty. So all of these different species, all these different kinds of lanternfish, each have different patterns of light, so they can communicate with each other and reproduce. Okay, here are our mid-water jellyfish. Everyone say Atolla jellyfish.
Atolla
Jellyfish.
Good, Atolla jellyfish and the comb jellyfish. Okay, what adaptations do they have? What adaptation do you see? Zoimin?
They are bioluminescent.
Excellent, they're bioluminescent. All right, so this is about the Atolla jellyfish. Simon, can you read it?
The Aloe jellyfish is not red to try and look pretty. It is beautiful. It is actual for protection. Most marine creatures see blue light, so the jellyfish deep red color makes them almost invisible to predators.
Very good. So most marine animals see blue light. So when they can't see the color red, they can't see the color red, so they're almost invisible. So cool. Let's do some quick matching. Everyone be ready to draw. Draw a line from the animal to its adaptation. Ready? Go. The Atolla jellyfish has 2 adaptations here. Nice. Excellent job, guys. All right, the lanternfish has bioluminescence. What's the second animal? Michael?
It had extra layer of fat.
Very good. Do you remember?
Whale.
There you go, nice. Sperm whale. The third animal, Minhui.
Squid.
Squid, and what is its adaptation?
It is shoot out in.
Very good. And the last one's the Atolla jellyfish. It has bioluminescence, and what's the other one, Nancy?
The Atolla jellyfish shoots out, has red coloring to hide.
Very good. And the bioluminescence. Nice work, everybody. Remember, fish only see blue, so the red color helps it hide. Okay, we'll save these 2 fun facts for next week. Here's your homework. You are going to watch a video and fill in the video notes worksheet. Number 2, add at least 2 animals to the Twilight Zone in your drawing that you did not know before and label it. So write the names, okay? 1, watch the video and take notes on the worksheet. 2, add 2 animals to the Twilight Zone and label them. All right, I will see you guys on Monday. Have a good weekend. Bye, everybody.
Bye.